Welcome to another video on Creaite 2.0 guys. In this video I'll be showing the demo on how to use the Creaite, what are the features, how it will be helpful in a step by step. Before going further, I would like to reveal about the free bonus what you get with the Creaite 2.0. These are my customized bonus you can get freely for Creaite 2.0. I'll be revealing all this Creaite 2.0 bonus by end of the video. These bonus are very worthful and helpful for you to make more profits. Let me show you how easy it is to have Creaite write to your content for you. This is how Creaite 2.0 application looks like, where you can see the dashboard, then the credits. In the dashboard you can see how many articles has been created, posted, the niches, this is the article sections, and this is the rewrite section. How we can rewrite the different contents. And these are the plugins, and these are the APIs, and these are the tutorials. In the tutorials you can get lots of video tutorial on the quick guide, how to use the API, all those things. So because of the net issue it's taking time to load, so let us jump into the article sections. So these are the various folders has been created with respect to the different niche, logos, belly fat, marketing, online business, pets, SEO, sales funnel, and these are the related generated article. If you need to create one of the article, please click on the plus mark, so you can see this kind of pop-up. So select the article type as standard, the language, and if you need to save to any of the folder which has been already created, you can mention that, or else you can create your new folder. I'll be just mentioning a new folder over here. In the niche you can mention anything like health and issue, health. So I selected health as a niche, and I'll be clicking onto the start button. So we can see it's been getting generated. So this has the, suppose, 7 ways to lose weight. If I open that's the generated article, and you can see the title, body, and these are the bulletin points, and these are the tags. So if you need to edit, I can click on to the edit button. If I modify anything, it will be modified. If I need to save, or if you need to add on, or if you need to delete, I can perform all those things, and you can save it. Also, if you need to post it, just post to WordPress. So if you click onto the post to WordPress site and select any of this option, and below you can see the tags has been generated. It's a ready-made tags. You can health, diet, nutrition with respect to weight loss, and this is the media has been generated. You can just place at any point of the content, and if you click onto the plus mark, you can see the image has been embedded. So you can make more readable and more efficient. If suppose any of the content or paragraph it's correlated to image, you can just place the image at that particular point, and you can see how the image has been attached. And if you can click onto the post, so it will be posted to the WordPress site. And if you feel any of the contents or it's been already present over the net, so what you can just click onto the edit thing, just select the content, and you can go to the rewrite section. You can just place over the text so that it rewrites the complete text, so that there will be no plagiarism. You can see how the complete text has been rewritten. So in this thing you can see, so we won't get any plagiarism error or grammar error or copyright issues. So basically this Creaite 2.0, it will be very helpful for the content generating. If you're working as a freelancer or a part-time, it will be very useful to make the content user friendly and more in an efficient way with very less time. So coming to the bonus, what I mentioned in the earlier video, so this, it will be live on 11 AM Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, Jan 27. So just grab your Creaite 2.0 bonus. So here's all about Creaite 2.0, and you can see some of the key benefits. It will be helpful and it will be more interested for you. Coming to the bonuses, the first bonus is worth of $297. In this tutorial you can get the right content in 50 additional niches, whereas second bonus is worth of $497. In this tutorial you will get access to the agency license. Once you generate the content, in order to post it, you need some of the license. Whereas third bonus, it's of worth of $97. In this tutorial you will get the creative content features. So please secure your copy and your bonuses. If you are interested to get the product, please check out the link in the description box. Thanks for watching my Creaite 2.0 review video. If you feel the video is useful, please do like and subscribe.